Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming firmware and power. Make sure the Thunderbolt runs firmware v3. X and the battery is at least 90% charged. Next, attach prop guards and secure any payload. Enable the stealth module in the ground app so sensors initialize. Calibrate the compass and IMU in an open area with a clear sky until you see 10 or more GPS satellites locked. Once done, power up the remote, pair to the drone, and run the pre-flight checklist displayed in the app. You initiate a smooth takeoff using altitude hold and low noise mode to minimize detection and vibration. Climb to a safe altitude while keeping throttle between 40 and 60%. This balances responsiveness and battery life. Maintain line of sight and a lateral buffer of at least 30 meters from obstacles. If running an automated mission, upload waypoints via the planner, set approach speed to 5 meters per second, and verify each waypoint's altitude. Make sure to monitor telemetry and video feed while the drone executes the route. You prepare to conclude the flight by initiating a controlled descent. Slow to 3 meters per second and transition from automated modes to manual if needed. For return to launch, confirm home coordinates before descent and reduce speed for a soft landing. After touchdown, power down systems and inspect motors, props, antenna, and comms for damage or debris. If you lose GPS during flight, immediately enable optical flow and switch to manual piloting. This prevents drift. One key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.